Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat on Roblox on iPad. So first of all guys, you have to open the Roblox app. Once you open, just tap on three dot over here and go to settings. In setting you have to tap on this privacy. In the privacy you have to check whether you have microphone or microphone is available or not. So if you don't see microphone, you have to verify your age. If you are in if you are not in US, Australia, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, and these are five countries. If you are not in these countries, you must have to verify your age using ID. If you are in these countries, you just need to verify your number to get the voice chat feature in the privacy. In my location, the voice chat feature is as showing as a microphone in the privacy, but in these five countries, you will see voice chat as a beta feature, which is a voice beta feature as voice chat. So you will get the voice chat here, but in my country I'm getting this microphone here. Just need to enable both the option. If you are getting voice chat, just enable that. If you are getting microphone, just enable from here to chat with voice. Can you see use microphone to chat with voice? Once you get this guys, now just open any game that supports microphone as communication. Let's open this game. Now once you're in the game guys, when you enable the voice chat in the privacy, you will get the mic over avatar side. Can you see here? And just tap on the mic over avatar side to enable the voice chat in the game. Now you can play this game, and you can interact with the people in the game using this voice chat feature. So Roblox will use your microphone. So yeah, that's it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.